Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. Big day today, Freeman.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Aren't you a bit worried about that exponential cascade scenario we discussed? Absolutely not. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Shut up!
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV Protective System. For use in hazardous environment conditions. Have a very safe day.
All right. I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you? Yes.
This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And, potentially, the most unstable.
Now, if you follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that. Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a microscope?
Well, go ahead.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments.
Fascinating. I never suspected such things could be. How interesting. Just look at that. These crab creatures have a unique parasitic strategy, don't you think? My goodness!
Gordon, get away!
Warning, unauthorized activity detected in Sector C.
This door is locked. See if you can activate it from the console.
Hold on a minute. The door's not responding to your pass ID. Let me see if I can get it open on this side.
Hurry up, Freeman! I can't keep it open forever! Oh my God, we're doomed!
Major fracture detected. Automatic medical systems engaged. Morphine administered.
Oh.